validated narco-politicians, vice mayors, and up. Number 1, Ferdinand Dancel Aguinaldo, Mayor of Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Jesus Celeste, your name pops up every year. Representative, Congressman, 1st District of Pangasinan. Marjorie Apil Salazar, Mayor of Lasam, Cagayan. Jefferson Conghon, Mayor of Subic, Zambales. Erlon Agustin, Mayor of Camiling, Tarlac. Cipriano Goto D. Violago Jr., Mayor of San Rafael, Bulacan. Jeffrey Conhong, Representative, 1st District of Zambales. Eulalio Larry Mendoza Alilio, Mayor of Lemery, Batangas. Raul Santiago Palino, Mayor of Teresa, Rizal. Cecilio Iliong C. Hernandez, Mayor of Rodriguez, Rizal. Loreto Ambin S. Amante, Mayor of San Pablo, Laguna. Juan Dane Torreja, Mayor of Ibaan, Batangas. Roderick Alcala. Sos itong mga Alcala. Itong si Proceso, Secretary of Agriculture ni Pinoy. Alam mo, sir, naubos na kayo mga Alcala dyan sa patay lahat. Hindi talaga kayo nadala. Ano eh? Mayor of Lucena City. I just visited Lucena. I met you there. Thank you for greeting me. But you know, you are here. And you have always been there in this list for many years now. Kung pera ka, marami na. Kung nagkaiipon ka ng mga siguro, 50 million, hindi mo na maubos yan. Huwag mo na hintayin mamatay ka. Tapos Mariusep, may mga anak ka, kawawa ka. May mga ano kasi, may mga tao sa mundo na hindi mo pwedeng lukuhin. Yung ginagawa mo kaming kingkoy dito sa gobyerno, parang wala na kami. Ako, if I cannot dispose of you, neutralize you, I will resign as president. Inutil ako. So, what is him sitting before the top general of the armed forces, pati police? Ako mismo, wala akong ginawa. Sabihan sila, sundalo lang kami. Anong inutos mo? Wala ka namang inutos. Makita mo itong bayan natin, nagkakandalit siya na. Bruno T. Ramos, Mayor of Bay, Laguna. Cesar Perez, Mayor of Los Baños, Laguna. Dennis Linco Hernandez, Vice Mayor of Rodriguez, Rizal. Romel Ayuson, Board Member, Rizal Province. Nieves Cabonyalda Rosento, Mayor of El Nido. Baka narinig na kita, ma'am, noon pa. Jesus Julius pala to. Julius Ronald John El Pacificador, Mayor of Hamtic, Antique. Itong When was the last time I read the surname Pacificador? Huwag na lang, baka ma-insulto ka. Jed Patrick Escalante Mabilog, Mayor of Iloilo City, dismissed from service. Alam mo, I'd like to inform the U.S. Embassy. I thought I gave you a list noon. Kung nakalusot itong mayor neto, I'd like to ask the embassy, bakit ninyo nabigyan ng, naghingi kayo ng listahan, binigay ko sa ambassador ninyo. So that Filipino addicts who would go there only to destroy your country will be denied visas. I think I remember I gave you a copy, and the name of this mayor, because he's so famous, was there definitely. Now, I'm asking, bakit nandyan sa Amerika, if indeed he is in America? Or if he's not in America, I'm sorry, but maybe in Canada. Sigfredo Salogunting Bitita, Mayor of Carles, Iloilo. Mariano M. Malone Sr., Mayor of Maasin, Iloilo. Ariel T. Alagos, Vice Mayor of Colase, Antique. Vicente Arino Luot, Mayor of Daan, Bantayan. But I think he did not file. There are about 4 incumbents dito na si Luot, sa awa ng Diyos, kasi 2 beses na naambos. Bakit naman ninyo inambos? Sino nag-ambos kay Luot? Kindly raise your right hand. Uli pa na lang, if you're lying. Isa ka pa. You know, Mr. Luot, you went to PayMade. You were educated on a scholarship of the people's money because you wanted the good soldier. Money of the Republic was spent for you to be a soldier. Tapos ngayong na-general ka sa pulis, kayo ni Garbo, ganon ang gawin ninyo sa Pilipino. It was during that time na assigned kayo sa Visayas, kayong dalawa ang naglaro. You are the one protecting, ikaw Garbo was protecting law. So, bakit ka lumusot sa, let me answer the PMA. Supposed to be men with honor and the home of the patriots of the Philippines. Why were you included there? To study. Gastos ng tao. Pati gusto mong patayin ang Pilipino ngayon. Liligo sila ng dugo nila. Franz Cabilaos Sabalones, Vice Mayor San Fernando, Cebu. Vicente Sofronio Veloso, Representative, 3rd District of Leyte. Jamar A. Mansul, Mayor of Haji Mutawad, Basilan. Gamar Ahay Hanihim, Mayor of Siraway, Zamboanga del Norte. Itong mga tao mo dito, Mayor, nandyan lahat. Drugs, kidnapping, lahat na. Ang sagot ko dyan, maski sa cabinet, road, ganon, sinisiraan ka road, ganito, yun lang. abot yung panahon nila. Crescenciano Mahilak, Mayor of Sinacaban, Misamis Occidental. Remnants ito ni Parahinog. Izel Villanueva, Mayor of Calamba, Misamis Occidental. David Navarro, Mayor, Clarin, Misamis Occidental. Jason Almonte, Mayor, Oroqueta City, Misamis Occidental. Pablo T. Matinong, Jr., Mayor, Santo Niño, South Cotabato. Albert D. Palangka, Mayor of Banga, South Cotabato. Abubakar Pindaton Maulana, Mayor of Palimbang, Sultan Kudarat. Roberto Jimmy M. Luna Jr., Mayor of Lingig, Surigao del Sur. Montaser Meling Sabal, Mayor of Talitay, Maguindanao. Mamaulan Abinal Mulok, Mayor naulit ko. Ito po, Rasul Mabang Sangki, Mayor of Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Abdul Wahib Sabal, Vice Mayor of Talitay, Maguindanao. Otto Montanal, Vice Mayor of Dato Montanal. Lugar ninyo, pangalan ninyo. Dima Dimaukong, Mayor of Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Baba ito. Jamal Abinal, Pagandamon, Aka Gambao Abinal, Vice Mayor, Maging, Lanao del Sur. Arafat M. Salik, Vice Mayor of Marawi City. So, isang board member for the nonce, for the time being, ito lang muna. Representative, kasi validated na eh. Yung iba, I just want to be doubly sure. I'm not really interested in releasing it before or after the elections. Because I do not have the slightest intention to hurt anybody or to be a cause of the failure of an election of a certain man who wants to serve the public. Wala akong ano. So, yung iba, huwag na muna kasi hindi ko sigurado. Yung na-file na, medyo validated na, then we can say that we have gathered enough proof. You know, in addition to this, maraming bubong-bugado. Marami dyan. Our job is to reach that standard of probable cause. Ang judge is proof beyond reasonable doubt. Ang police, ang armed forces, you only have to come up with probable cause. Is he probably the criminal of this act? Then if he is, I must arrest him. Remember the word probable. It does not require you to be very sure. But sa korte, from the fiscal to the court, there has to be a prima facie. The old people, they pronounce it as prima facie evidence. There is a prima facie because on a second review, it is now a lawyer who will decide. Ang kanya is only prima facie case. Is the evidence strong enough that maybe you can secure a conviction. Na yung judge, iba yung kanya. He has to prove the guilt beyond reasonable doubt. I'm referring to the prosecution. And if that standard is reached, criteria, then it's conviction. Paloko kayo ng minsan, yung nagsusulat, mga bubo naman. As if they are not trying to find out whether you have evidence strong enough to convict you. Hindi nga mga bubo nga eh. Hindi na alam, basta bira ng bira. Wala namang alam. That is it. There's a saying in the Visayan. It's part of the dialect. Little learning is a very dangerous thing. So I hope that we were able to discuss my additional yung sabi ni Secretary Anyo Caraga, itong may I know if the Caraga guys are here? Sino ang sa Caraga? Is that the lady at the end of the table? I'm sorry, ma'am. Totoo talaga, I'm old. 72, 23, 24 pala. Secretary Anyo was complimenting me for the move sa inyong you decided to yawa na ito. Magbaba man. Mahina na rin. Kaya ng karamihan dito. You decided to merge the RDC with the RPOC. It's a good move, actually.